Welcome to another edition of Clover Tool School. Today we want to talk about one of the easiest ways to accessorize everything from home dec to fashion accessories, and that's with Clover's new Mini Flower Loom.
This is Clover's Mini Flower Loom. The Mini Flower Loom is a great crafting tool that allows you to create mini accessories and designs. The package itself comes with a square-shaped loom and a round loom. And you also get the darning needle to create your flowers. Now with the Mini Flower Loom, you can create all kinds of designs and embellish your projects, such as this notebook over here. Then we have a little girl's headband. We also have some home decor, the table runner, and the child's sweater. So there's really a lot that you can do with the product, and you're not limited on the type of fibers you can use. We have thread, yarns, we also use ribbon, and wire and memory thread. So the way to get started, you would need to decide what fiber you're going to use. And right here I'm using the thread. The looms have two notches on the bottom, and you use these as guides where to begin and where to end. You use the notch to start your loom, and you're just bringing your thread or your yarn directly across the loom, going around a peg and bringing it back. So you can see that your flower starts to take shape. You'll probably need to do 2 or 3 rounds depending on the look you're trying to achieve. You can make a much fuller flower. Once your design is complete, you would just bring your fiber and bring it back to the second notch under the loom. And the step 2 would be to create the center of your loom, the center of your flower. And you can use a contrasting color. I'm going to be using the same type of fiber. This is an embroidery thread, and this is where you bring out your tapestry needle. So you would use the darning needle and your fiber to create the center of the flower. You do that by step 3 would be to bring the fiber up through the center, and when you're going back down, you go in between the petal, right below the peg. Once the center of your flower is complete, it should look something like this. And our step 3 would be to remove the flower from your loom. And to do that, we would remove our thread from those notches and push your flower up from the center. Now we just need to finish off our ends, and you do that by using the darning needle and just weave in your ends a couple of times in the back of the flower. Once you've weaved in your ends, you can go ahead and use your scissors to trim off any of those tails. And that is your completed mini flower using Clover's Mini Flower Loom.